Hello everyone. Welcome, I'm Xerox. And today, I will be showing you how to make 2D graphics look 3D in just few seconds, from this to this. We will be doing this for free without paying anything. If you are interested to see that, then let's get started. First, go to www.styler.ai and sign in with Google. Click on New Project. And on this page you will see your free 200 credits, and we will be using image-to-image option. Let's import our image by clicking here. Locate your image and click Open. Let's quickly stretch it to fit the canvas. You can see all the tools for editing: Auto Select, Lasso, Insert, Remove Object, and Remove Background. Now let's click on Image to Image. On the style, they have a lot you can try out. But I will be using realistic. On the prompt section, you can type your prompt or auto-generate it, but I will first type the prompt to see the result, and after I will auto-generate my prompt. After click Stylize, and here we have our first result. Let's take this last one. It looks better, so click on Place on Canvas, and there we have it. Let's compare the two. Awesome transformation. Now let's try auto-generate prompt and see the quality. There it is. So let's click on Stylize now and give it little time to finish. And there we have it. Choose the one you like. I will be choosing this one. Then select it and click Place to Canvas. And that's it. You can then export and use. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on your notification bell for future videos. Happy creating!